Okay, boys and girls, we are going to need some colors today for your math. So I need you to get red, blue, and yellow. So if you need to press pause for a second so that you can get red, blue, and yellow, that's fine. And then go ahead and push play. Okay, so I'm going to give you some clues and I want you to color them. So the first clue is the longest train is blue. So I want you to take your blue color and just, you don't have to color it super nice, just do that. Then it says the shortest train is red. So where's your shortest train? We're going to color that red. Good. And the yellow train is longer than the red train. So this is the one that we would color yellow. So now we have some questions to answer. The red train is blank, the blue train. Is it shorter or longer than blue? Shorter, so we're going to circle shorter. So now let's look at the yellow train and the blue train. The yellow train is blank, the blue train. Shorter than, very good. Okay, now I'm going to give you the clues for the next one, but I'm not going to color it with you because I want you to see if you can do it on your own. So first, color the shortest pencil blue. Okay. Now color the longest pencil yellow. The next one says the red pencil is shorter than the yellow pencil. Good. So your pencil should be blue. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go here. Blue, yellow, and red. That's what order they should be in. Okay, now let's answer the questions. The yellow pencil is blank the blue pencil. Longer than. Good. The blue pencil is blank the red pencil. Shorter than. Okay. Now the last question says color the longest objects. So take whichever color and I want you to find the longest one and color it. So these are all the longest ones. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're going to cross out the shortest one. Very good. All right. Let's take a look on the back side. We have some more rocket math. So you know what to do. It's very simple. Just go through, complete all of the questions, and then turn it into your teacher.